Use makeup remover to eliminate dirt, oil, and residual makeup. Cleanse face with cleanser. Draw a line along the jawline. Draw a line from the nostril to the highest point of the cheekbone. Place your index finger beside the corner of the mouth and draw a line 1 cm away from the finger. Place your index finger from the ear, then draw a line connecting the chin and cheekbone along the finger. Measure with a ruler, 15 rs 3.0 mm, the operating area of the handle. Divide the chin into a grid with 2 lines based on the measured distance, and connect the lines to the cheekbones. Draw a line along the lower eye socket, just below the bone, extending to the corner of the eye. Draw a vertical line 1 cm apart between the outer corners of the eyes. Draw a line at approximately 45 degrees. The temple area is not suitable for marking times. Use a ruler, 15 rs 2.0 mm, to measure the operating area of the handle. And then use the ruler to draw lines under the eye socket. Draw a vertical line 1 cm above the eyebrow head. Use a ruler to measure the operating area of the handle, 15 rs 1.5 mm, and then use the ruler to draw lines on the forehead. Repeat the same lines on the other side of the forehead. Do not operate within 2 cm above the center of the eyebrow. Mark the inoperable areas with an X. Note, please avoid eyebrows and hairline during operation. Use X to mark the areas that cannot be operated, such as the nose and the corners of the mouth. Repeat the same steps on the other cheek and eye area. Draw a line where the chin and neck meet. Use a ruler to measure the operating area of the handle, 15 rs 4.5 mm, and then use a ruler to draw lines on the chin. Starting above the collarbone, draw a line along the neck. Caution, mark the glottis area as a forbidden area with an X. Then, based on the operating area of the 15 rs 4.5 mm handle, draw lines on the neck. Mark the area behind the ear on the neck as a forbidden area with an X. Repeat the same steps on the other cheek and eye area. Evenly apply gel to the marked treatment areas. Replenish the gel as needed during operation. Follow this treatment order: neck, chin, cheeks, eye area, and forehead. Neck and chin treat 15 RS 4.5 mm settings. 15 RS can be operated directly by clicking the button on the handle or by controlling the pedal. Energy 0.5. RF energy level 0.5. Default mode normal. LERG 25. Output method recommendation, single, pitch 1.2. Cheek treatment 15 RS 3.0 mm settings. Energy 0.5, RF energy level 0.5, default mode normal. LERG 25. Output method recommendation, single, pitch 1.2. Eye around area treatment 15 RS 2.0 mm settings. Energy 0.3, RF energy level 0.3, default mode normal, LERG 20. Output method recommendation, single, pitch 1.0. Forehead treatment 15 RS 1.5 mm settings. Energy 0.3, RF energy level 0.3. Default mode normal, LERG 25. Output method recommendation, single, pitch 1.0. After the 15 RS handle is completed, the 36 RS handle can be used for reinforcement. Neck and chin treatment 36 RS 4.5 mm settings. Energy 0.5, select MP mode, EMS energy level 0.5. Output method recommendation, single, EMS mode, low. The 36 RS handle is controlled by stepping on the foot pedal. Cheek treatment 36 3.0 mm settings. Energy 0.5, select MP mode, EMS energy level 0.5. Output method recommendation, single, EMS mode, low. The 36 RS handle is controlled by stepping on the foot pedal. Forehead treatment 36 RS 1.5 mm settings. Energy 0.3. Select MP mode. EMS energy level 0.3. Output method recommendation, single, EMS mode, low. The 36 RS handle is controlled by stepping on the foot pedal. Cleanse the face with a washcloth. Apply a facial mask. Clean the face thoroughly and apply repair essence and repair cream.